All right, this video is going to cover questions 1 and 2 on your worksheet, your review sheet. Number 1, we're asked to compare, I got the answer up there already, but we're asked to compare the measure of angle ADC, and the measure of angle ADB. Now we have our hinge here, and we're going to use we're going to use because we have two sides that are parallel to each other, two triangles. So we've got this side is congruent, I said parallel. This side is congruent to this side is congruent to this side. So we have two sides that are congruent to each other in a triangle. And the hinge theorem says that if the included angle of the first triangle is smaller than the included angle of the second triangle, then the angle of that first triangle, the included angle of that first triangle is going to be smaller than the included angle of the second triangle, right? In other words, because this side is smaller than this side, this angle is going to be smaller than this angle. So ADC is less than ADB. All right, that's number 1. Number 2, we're going to compare side AB and side AC. Now, I have been given, again, I've got two sets of congruent sides. So I know then that I can compare the sides based on these angles. Now, hopefully you can see there, I have two angles of a triangle. I can figure out this third angle by adding these two together and then subtracting it from 180. So I did that over here. I added, well, I did that ahead of time. 29 plus 39 is 68. And then I'm going to subtract that from 180, and I'm going to get 112. So this angle right here is 112 degrees. And since this angle and this angle form a straight line, I can subtract 112 from 180, right? And of course, I'm going to get 68. All right? Again, if we think about it, there's another theorem that says the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of the two non-adjacent interior angles. All right, so we could have used that theorem as well to figure out this angle, but the way we did it is fine. If this is 112, because this forms 180 degrees, forms a straight line, we know that we can subtract 112 from 180 to get 68. So if this angle is 112 and this angle is 68, according to our hinge theorem, the side opposite the larger angle is going to be the larger side. So this is our larger angle, so AB or BA must be larger than AC. So AB is greater than AC. That's your answer there. All right, that's numbers 1 and 2.